Hello friends, welcome to our another effect lecture. Let's create a rectangle. Let's provide a fill color of something say this one. Now let's go to the effect menu, distort and transform, and let's take a look at this zigzag option. So you will see this window popping up asking you few options, right? Let's check the preview option and see. Here you have few options. Number one is size. Play around with it and see. Then regions per segment. If you increase it, your design will become more complex. Let's decrease the size and see. Even you can use it as a patterned border. Okay. Now let's take a look at this relative option. Now you already know by now that absolute means pixel and relative means percentage. Oh my god. And then we have, okay, we have already seen this regions per segment. If you increase it, your design will become more complex. I mean, it's adding more regions per segment. And then we have an option of points. You can make it smooth and see, or you can make it corner points. And using this, yes, it seems like nothing, right? But we are having a project on it that we will see, but later on in this section only. So be patient and believe in me, you are going to learn really cool stuffs. Okay guys, so that's it. Here I'm concluding this lecture. This was about zigzag, and I recommend that you don't only learn, try to do it yourself also. By this you will learn really better. Yes friend, so see one lecture and try to practice it yourself. Okay guys, so that's it. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.